I think you all know that our Earth is a planet. But do you know that there are numerous, trillions of planets in the universe? We have discovered thousands of them, and it is possible that life exists on one of them. If you want to find out more about life in the universe, watch the video until the end. Are you excited to dive into the topic of planets, learning all about their formation and types? Then I can only say, my name's Floating Brick, and you will know a lot about planets in a few minutes. Formation of planets. The dust surrounding newly formed stars is essential for the formation of planets and other celestial objects such as asteroids. This dust contains elements such as carbon and iron, which are necessary for the formation of planets. Stars form, they emit hot winds containing positively charged particles. If these particles collide, they form clumps. These clumps become petals and larger rocks, which grow in size. The gas around the star act like glue for the solid elements. This is how planets and planetary systems form. But there are different types of planets, aren't there? Gas planets. Gas planets don't have hard surfaces, so it isn't possible to walk or land a rocket on them. But how do they form? Far from the star, in regions where the dust is cold enough for water to freeze, the cores of gas planets can form. The cold temperatures in these regions slow down the gas particles, allowing them to be drawn onto the core of the forming planet. Some gas planets are also known as gas giants, which are larger and can be closer to their star. The best known gas planets are probably Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, which are in our solar system. But aren't there 8 planets orbiting our Sun? What are the other 4 made of? Terrestrial planets. Others, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are terrestrial planets. There will be a video series about the 8 planets in our solar system in the future, so make sure you're following my channel on YouTube and Instagram. Thanks a lot. Terrestrial planets have solid surfaces, and some of them even have atmospheres and water. However, more investigations are needed to determine this. They are mostly made of rocks, iron, silicate and/or carbon. And how do these form? They form near the star where the dust is hotter. As gas planets form faster than terrestrial planets, there is no gas left to be drawn to the newly formed rocks. The formation of terrestrial planets takes a long time. There are so many different planets in the universe. So next we want to talk about some of them. Special planets. Kepler 11b is a terrestrial planet twice the size of our Earth, which orbits its star in just 10.5 Earth days due to its proximity. This makes it extremely hot on the surface. Next up, Proxima Centauri b is the closest planet to our solar system. The rocky planet orbits the star Proxima Centauri, which is around 4 light-years away from us. And last but not least, Kepler 16b is a gas giant located 245 light-years away from Earth, so very far away. What makes it special is its solar system, because the planet orbits 2 stars. This means that if you were to look at the horizon, you would see 2 suns rise. Unbelievable, isn't it? But the question of all questions, is there life in our universe? Intergalactic life on planets. Of course there is life in our universe. We know one planet. Us, humanity on Earth. Yes, I know you're interested in intergalactic life, so let's take a closer look. There are billions of planets in our Milky Way galaxy. So why haven't we found anyone out there? It is very difficult to determine whether a planet has all the essential conditions for life. For life to develop, elements such as phosphorus and nitrogen are required, as they are important for DNA, the storage of genetic information. Water is also an essential resource for living beings. This is found in the habitable zone around a star, where liquid water can exist. This zone is also known as the Goldilocks zone. An energy source, like our sun, is also necessary for life to form. Essential elements can be detected by observatories because when the light passes through a prisma, the different colors of the light can be seen, like a rainbow. If light passes through a planet's atmosphere, the elements in it absorb some colors. This creates black lines in the spectrum. Their position and number show us what gases the atmosphere of a planet contains. This is very helpful for detecting intergalactic life. The conclusion is we don't know if there is anyone out there, even if some sources claim it. Now you know that not every planet can be a home. But don't be sad. The possibility is very high because, as I said, there are trillions of planets in the universe, which are trillions of chances. Who knows what the future holds for us? That's it for today's video. I'm sure you have learned something new. Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, click on subscribe, and if you want to get a notification of every exciting topic about our universe, ring the bell so you don't miss the video series about the planets in the future. If you did everything, I say welcome in my universe. You will be an expert soon. Until next time, hopefully right now in another video. Yours, Floating Brick.